Hi, Assalamu alaikum, and very good morning to everyone. It's Islamic Studies class for class 1. We will do worksheet in this class as we have discussed the chapters in the last weeks. So, what you have to do first, go to your course material in class era and download the worksheet. There is a worksheet there. When you download it, open the worksheet. Once you are done with the opening the worksheet, we will continue our lecture. So let's begin. The first blank is Allah is the dash. There are some options. So it's 1, 2, or 3. So it's a multiple choice question giving you the multiple answers. So the correct answer is the 1. Allah is the 1. 1 is the correct answer. You can make a circle or make a tick at the 1. The second one is the blank. Allah is the dash of everything. Allah is the creator of everything. Allah is the creator of everything. So it's a Creator. Creator. Allah is the creator of everything. Now, the third blank is dash is the Lord of all creatures. Who is the Lord of all creatures? Allah is the one. Allah is the Lord of all creatures. So Allah is the right answer. It's ALLAH. Moving towards the fourth blank. Dash is the Lord of the worlds. Dash is the Lord of the worlds. Who is the Lord of the worlds? Allah is the Lord of the world. Okay. Now we are moving towards the fifth. Islam means Islam means fight or peace. Islam means peace. Peace is the right answer. Peace. It's Peace. Peace means no one is fighting. Everybody is living peacefully. Number 6. How many surahs are in Quran? There are two options, 114 and 214. 114 is the right answer. It's 114 surahs in Quran. Now the question number 7. What is the name of the tribe to which Prophet belonged to? Okay, what is the name of the tribe to which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, belonged to? It's Quraysh, Thamud, or Banu Israel. It's a Quraysh. Quraysh is the tribe to which Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, belonged. Question number 8. Write some creations of Allah from your surroundings. If you see, as we know, everything is created by the Allah. If you see around yourself, in your room or outside or in the ground, you can see the creations of Allah. So mention any 4 creations of Allah. Let's suppose trees, sky, you can write 2 more. Or if you want to write another creations, you can write. There are so many creations of Allah from your surrounding. Surrounding means nearby. Now the question number 9. Write the names of some animals that are mentioned in the Holy Quran. Okay, there are so many. There are so many animals which are there. We have to write 3. I am going to tell you some names. The cow, elephant, ant, bee, spider. You can write any 3. Let's suppose it's a bee. Spelling of bee is Bee. It's Bee. And then you can write the cow. It's Cow. It's Cow. Then you can write the ant. It's Ant. Ant. These are the names of some animals that are mentioned in the Holy Quran. There are surahs with the name of these animals. Okay. Now, color the picture along with the mentioning creations of Allah. There is a second page on the worksheet too. On this second page, you have to color the picture, and after coloring it, there are 4 blanks under the picture. You have to write 4 creations from that picture. Okay. For this, you need to know the spellings of the words. Let's suppose trees are in the picture. You can write 3 more. There are many creations in the picture. You can write only 4. Now, after this, what you have to do? You have to open the assignment Where is the assignment? From class era course material. Open it and do it. It will take 2 minutes to do it. And it's very much easy. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me in the live class. Hope you understand it. Have a nice day.